In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move an email to a label in Gmail. Let's get started by opening your browser and heading to gmail.com. Sign into your account and make sure you're in the inbox for the right profile. Once you're in, take a second to get oriented. On the left, you'll see your list of labels, which act like folders to keep your messages organized. In the center is your message list with the newest emails at the top. Now find the email you want to move. You can scan through your inbox or use the search bar at the top if that's faster. Type in a keyword, a sender's name, or a subject line you remember, and Gmail will filter the results for you. If your inbox has multiple tabs like primary, social, or promotions, be sure to check the tab where the email is most likely to be. Once you spot the message, you're ready to move it. Look over to the list of labels on the left side of the screen. Pick the label where you want this email to live. If you have a lot of labels, you might need to scroll the sidebar. With your target label in mind, click and hold the email you want to move. You'll notice it lifts slightly, indicating it's ready to be dragged. While holding the mouse button, drag the email over to the label. As you hover on a label, Gmail highlights it to show that's where the email will go. When you see the highlight on the correct label, release the mouse button. And that's it, you're done. Gmail will instantly apply that label and file the message under it. You'll usually see a quick confirmation pop up at the bottom of the screen, often with an undo option in case you changed your mind. If you return to your inbox and don't see the message anymore, that's normal. Moving to a label typically takes it out of the inbox view and places it neatly inside the label you chose. To confirm, click the label on the left to open it and you'll see the email sitting right there. A couple of quick reminders as you wrap up. If you can't find a label right away, scroll through the label list until it appears. If your label's sidebar feels cramped, you can widen your browser window to make navigation easier. And if the email doesn't move, try dragging it again, making sure the label you're hovering over is highlighted before releasing. That's the whole process, simple, fast, and effective for keeping your Gmail tidy and organized.